In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay a video on CapCut using CapCut PC, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a really useful editing trick if you want to add picture-in-picture effects, reaction clips, tutorials, gaming footage, or any extra visual on top of your main video. It's one of the easiest ways to make your edits look more dynamic and professional, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and quick how-to videos just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up and get ready to work in the editing timeline. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and make sure you're in the main editing workspace. Next, go to the top panel and click on Media. This is where you'll bring in the video files you want to use. Now import the main video that you want as your base clip, and also import the second video that you want to place on top as an overlay. You can usually drag and drop the files into CapCut, or use the import option, depending on how you prefer to work. Once both videos are imported, drag the main video down to the timeline first. This is the foundation of your edit, so this clip should sit on the bottom track. Think of it as the background video that everything else will build on. After that, drag the second video to a track above the main video. This is the key step for creating the overlay effect. CapCut layers tracks from top to bottom, so anything placed above the main clip will appear on top of it in the final video. If the second video is on a higher track, it becomes your overlay clip. Now click on the overlay video in the timeline to select it. When it's selected, you'll be able to adjust it in the preview window. This is where you can make it fit your layout and decide exactly where it should appear on the screen. Use the Resize handles to make the overlay smaller or larger, depending on your design. You can drag it to the corner, center, or any other part of the screen that works best for your video. If you want a classic reaction-style layout, you can place it in one corner so the main video stays visible behind it. If you want a split-screen or tutorial look, position it more intentionally so both videos are easy to see. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement until it looks clean and balanced. The goal is to make sure the overlay supports the main video instead of blocking important parts of it. Once the size and position look right, you're done with a basic overlay setup. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to overlay a video on CapCut PC by importing both clips, placing the main video on the bottom track, adding the second video above it, and resizing it in the preview window. It's a simple process, but it can completely change the look and feel of your edits. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.